How to download VN app in laptop. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the VN app on your laptop. First, open up your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you like. In the search bar, type in VN app and hit enter. Now, look for the website with a green icon, just like the one shown here. Click on that website to open it. Once you're on the site, find and click on the download app button that you'll see on the screen. After that, scroll down a little bit and click on download again to confirm the action. The app file will now start downloading to your laptop. Just be patient depending on your internet speed. It might take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, you'll be able to install and start using the VN app on your laptop. And that's it. That's how you can download and use the VN app on your laptop. Don't forget to use the links in the description to get started easily. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.